The campaign emphasizes important health and safety measures, including physical distancing, face coverings, hand washing, and more, and leverages each character's personality to bring the message directly to our local communities in a dynamic way. Our message is that together we can help the community if we're all responsible and do our part.
We all have a role to play in working to curb the spread of COVID-19. Disneyland has continuously shown its commitment to health and safety in Orange County for many years, and we welcome their collaboration in our continued efforts to raise awareness and educate our communities on COVID-19 in unique and creative ways.
Tips to help protect yourself and others. Together we can help our community if we're all responsible and do our part. Today's incredible tips: wear a face covering, darling. Everyone should wear a fabulous and appropriate face covering when in public. And keep 6 feet between yourself and others. Be super and always respect the bubble. Together we can be incredible.